Keep looking over your shoulder. Nobody notices you not like the rest. Keep going, don't get bolder. You don't quite understand what they're trying to tell you. You're on the wrong planet. You're on the wrong planet. You're on the wrong planet. You ever get the feeling that you're on the wrong planet? People don't relate to you. You ever wonder why the rest of the world is out of step? The way you do things. You speed along, and the light's so bright and the noises are so strong. And people, always talking in your face. And the people, their behaviour is a disgrace. 'Cause there's nothing wrong with you. There is nothing wrong with you. You're in a position to judge. You're on the wrong planet. The wrong planet. You're on the wrong planet. On the wrong planet. You are. Always find the best things in life. Always look for the good in yourself. Always find all the joy in yourself. Always see beauty in yourself. So why do they have to object so much? You're on the wrong planet. You're on the wrong planet. You're on the wrong planet. Sure it's not the way that nature planned it. You'd end up here instead of the right. And the whole damn thing was often a fight. 'Cause everything you do is wrong, not wrong planet. You're on the wrong planet. Bye bye.